If we have a squiggle selected, then the mode option allows us to I'm going to move my face out of the way. The mode option allows us to add extra things. So if we wanted to add a straight line, we'd click this button, straight, or we could do shortcut out. I'm going to click the button in this case, and now I can add onto this squiggle. Press enter to stop adding. If I had wanted to stop adding using the buttons, I would have pressed neutral state, and it would have kept this selected but stopped it being in adding mode. Okay, I'm going to press Ctrl Z to get back to our original. And this time I want to add a curved line, make it all curved. So clicking curve, click, 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 click. I'm going to press space because I'm going to carry on adding curved lines from here. Enter. And we can move the curve points around, do all our usual editing. Let's start afresh. Actually, I want to change that color to that. We have our squiggle selected, and we have these two other options, straight to curve or curve to straight. So we're going to do straight to curve, which means this will stay straight, and the next line that we're adding will get its gradient from the first segment. So you can see it's getting its gradient from that first segment. When I release and start my next one, this gets its gradient from that segment as well. Each one is getting its gradient from the previous segment. Okay, I'm going to click neutral state to get out of that, and I'm going to press Ctrl Z to get back to our original line. The other one, curve to straight, means that the next one will be straight and the previous segment gets its curve. So I'm going to click a few of these. You can see that they are all getting their gradient from the last one, which allows us to create this wavy effect. And I'll leave it like that. You can also get that wave effect with the straight to curve, but you can't get it till the end. So I'm going to just do one like this. Okay. If we wanted to add freestyle drawing, then we would use this mode here. So I'm just going to wiggle around. It will then convert that into a squiggle. Pressing escape, get out of it. Now, after we've laid it, we can still edit it as we see fit, skip points, all the usual things that we can do. I'm going to press S to skip that point. And there's more tutorials on all that kind of stuff if you use these buttons here and Swelp on those. Using this allows us to create a kind of cornered off rectangle with rounded corners. We could also achieve the same by using a combination of these buttons. So I'm going to start off by adding a straight. And then I'm going to do straight to curve us around this next corner. So straight to curve is K, so I'm pressing shortcut K. And now it's getting its gradient from the last one. Clicking down. Now I still want this segment, the first segment, to get its gradient from the one we're on now. So I would now press M. Clicking down, pressing K. Clicking down, pressing M. Clicking down, pressing K. Clicking down, pressing M. Clicking down, pressing K. And then we'll finish it off there. Now it didn't get the last one, but I can just take this guy and ask him to get his gradient from him. Okay, now we have kind of a curvy edge rectangle. Okay, really messed that up, but you get the idea.